Hello. Hey. Neha. I'm sitting on the road here.
Hey, you. What is this? Why are you sitting on the street? What are you doing sitting on the road, huh? Get up. What are you doing, huh?
One moment, I'm just... Give me 2
Why
minutes,
are you
please.
sitting on the road? What are you up to sitting in the middle of the road?
Sir, he's with me. Sorry.
Okay, it's fine now. Thank you. Sorry.
Yash, get up. Everyone is looking at you. Please get up. Don't act crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Everyone is watching. Tell me that you forgive me.
Okay, I forgive you. Get up now.
Sure.
Of course, get up now.
Good girl. Let's go. After all that walking, I'm hungry.
Oh, eat a vada pav in the street somewhere.
Vada pav. I don't want to eat a vada pav.
Okay, come home. I'll serve you and Pari food.
That's like a good girl. Make some rich gourd and sanga curry. You cook it really well.
Pari. Pari. Come in, my dear. Huh?
How long will you wait her out for?
I have to give this money to Mom, so I am waiting here.
Pari, Mom calls out to you as soon as she comes daily, right? She will call you out today also, and then you can give her the money, okay? Let me keep it for now, or else you will lose it. And come on in. Let's go.
Pari, wait a minute.
Huh?
Where are you off to?
Mrs. Sathe, what is the matter?
Please wait.
What?
Get out of the way. I will speak only to Pari. So, I told you when I gave you the sari the other day, right? I said this is an expensive sari. I knit carefully. I warned you so many times. The sari is worth 10,000 rupees. Look at what she has done to this expensive sari. How will I wear this sari now? Is your dad going to compensate me for my loss? Well, he can't possibly do it as he is not around for you anywhere.
Mrs. Sathe, speak softly to her. She's just a little girl. Don't speak so cruelly to her. You will hurt her feelings.
Mrs. Nayak, I just don't care how, when and what might hurt her. Basically, people who suffer know what it entails. You are obviously going to speak for her since your sari didn't get burnt. I gave her sari for ironing as I thought of her. I gave it to her since they have so many debtors. Now it's possible that they may lose this house. I thought they need the money and so I helped out. But look at the stunt she has pulled off.
Mrs. Sathe, this is not her fault.
You would speak for her since she is your darling.
Mrs. Sathe, please listen to us.
Pari, what is going on here?
What is it? Why don't you speak now? Tell her what you have done. Let me tell you, Neha. Your Pari takes clothes from all the folks in the chawl. She washes and irons those clothes and brings them back to us. Then we pay her for doing this. Your darling daughter has burnt my sari worth 10,000 rupees.
Pari, what have you done?
Neha, please don't hit her. Please. She's still a child. And she's not to blame, really.
How can she not be blamed? I would say it's all her fault. She must be punished for her mistake. Come on, let me punish you. Come on.
Mom!
Mrs.
Mom.
Sathe,
Mom!
Pari. Aunt, wait.
Neha, let me be very frank. You have pampered her too much since she has no father. And then there's Mrs. and Mr. Nayak. They have pampered her to the point of being spoiled. Why to take on jobs that you are not capable of doing? I won't let her go unless I get my money. I'm warning you.
Yash, you gave me the money in the morning, right? Give me 10,000 rupees out of it. Here is your money. I'm saying sorry on behalf of Pari. And now don't ever touch her again. Let's go, Pari.
One moment. You got your money, right? What about the anguish Pari suffered? Won't you compensate her for that? Pari?
I won't pull your hand. I am a good girl.
Pari? Mom is really sad. Go and speak to her.
Mom, sorry.
I won't speak to you.
Mom, I am sorry.
Pari, I don't want to speak to you.
Mom, I am sorry.
Pari, why did you do this? Why do you worry me? Why did you do all this, my child? I told you the other day too. You don't have to work or earn money. Your mom is here to do it. The lady said the most cruel things to you. Do you know how much it hurt me? Pari, I don't like it at all when anyone treats you like this. It's a different matter that Yash had the money and so I paid her off. What if he wasn't there? Pari, my child, your mom doesn't have that kind of money. She can't pay the penalty for your mistakes. Please, my child, don't do this.
Neha, can I please come in? Neha, I know you are really angry right now, dear. That is bound to happen. But it's my fault, dear. It is not Pari's fault. I burnt Mrs. Sathe's sari. Pari just wanted to help you. And I also thought washing and ironing people's clothes would get in some more money for you. It would help you and Pari would be pleased. But I had no idea it would turn out this way, really. But please, don't scold Pari. Here, keep this money. Pari has worked very hard to earn this money. Please don't refuse it, okay?
Your Pari takes clothes from all the folks in the chawl. She washes and irons those clothes and bring them back to us. Then we pay her for doing this. I figured the debtors are always at their door. Now it seems they will lose this house too.
The batmen come and scold you, right? They say they will throw you out of the house if you don't pay. You are the only one who is working, right? That's why I am working too. I want to help you.
Neha,
What is this situation I have landed up in? I feel so helpless. I feel so angry. I'm so upset. I feel like doing something, but I can't do anything. My child is so sweet and so understanding. She sees my sorrow. She understands what bothers me. That's why she did all this, and I raised my hand on her. How could I treat her like that? She understands my troubles, Yash. She's trying to understand me. I just can't seem to understand her. Can't I live up to the mark as a mother? Can't I manage to take care of her?
Neha, it's not like that at all. Please don't even think like that. Neha, what happened today was really unfortunate. But nobody can be blamed here. Not you, uncle and aunt, and certainly not Pari. All of them have the best intentions. But this situation is really strange. Listen to me, Neha. I just think you should calm down for now. Please don't get angry with Pari. Please.
Until now, I handled everything on my own. I faced every situation that came up before me. But I never imagined we would be in such a situation. You may think I am being very silly. I got angry with you earlier. You were helping me out, but I refused. I told you not to do anything to harm my self-respect, and now I asked you for help.
No. I won't think of anything like that. I'm not going to judge you, dear. Never. I actually want to thank you. Today, you took the money from me with complete assurance and paid that woman. I felt happy about it, Neha. And Neha, I was sure that finally, today we are friends in the truest sense. Since we are friends, we must celebrate, right? Tell me, where do we go to eat pav bhajis? Same place? This time, I'll carry 2 large bottles of water and I'll also carry a boiled potato. You know, so we don't have any problems.
Wait a moment. Yash, this is a check for 10,000 rupees. Please don't say no, Yash, please. Don't cash it out right now. I'll tell you when the salary comes so you can cash it out.
Neha, but
You consider me a friend, right? Please take this check. Please.
Take this.
what is this, buddy? I will also return your money soon.
You had to give the money because of me today. That's why I'm giving you this check. I will earn tons of money when I grow up. Then you can encash this check.
My child.
Now that you've given me this check, buddy, it means a great deal. No bank in the world would have enough funds to honor it. I will always keep this check with me. I love you.
Pari? Pari? Pari?
Mom, I'm brushing my teeth.
So sweet, my child. Go and wash your face first, dear. Go on.
Mom, I'm done with brushing my teeth.
Good girl.
I'm a good girl, right?
You're the best girl. My child is so sensible.
Mom, I'm sorry about yesterday.
You were terribly hurt, right? A bit? A tiny bit?
It was my fault, right?
But Pari, what did I say to you? Did I ever say to you to go out and make money? No, right? What do I say to you? Study a lot, learn a lot, become successful. Learn a lot, achieve a lot. When you start working in a huge reputed firm, you can earn. Until then, I am here for you, right? You must not worry at all. And you know it? You have tons of money.
Mom, your hand seems warm. Your forehead seems warm too.
No, it's because I just woke up. You get ready.